Hi, I'm Lou, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a stuttering mower. My problem all started when I got some gunk in the gas tank. The engine essentially has a straw down into the gas tank that it sucks gas out, up through this gas line, around through this filter, and over to this pump, and then finally over here to the carburetor. First, let's make sure there's no air in the gas line. By the way, I just put in a new fuel filter. You can see the old one right there. Always put the flat side towards the engine, and these are only about $1 each. I'll pull off my gas pump with these two bolts. Pull off that bottom rubber hose. Next, I'll squeeze this clamp with a pliers so I can pull this hose off the carburetor. This is not the problem, but since I have it apart already, I'm going to swap out this new pump with two hose clamps. Now I have the hose completely off, and the top of the hose is about level with the gas. Blow in the tank until gas comes out the hose. I reversed all the steps to button it back up, and let's see how it works. That wasn't the problem, so let's try new spark plugs. The plugs are right here. Out with the old, in go the new ones. Since this is a twin cylinder engine, there's another one down there. Here we go. Nope. Okay, now I'm thinking I sucked up some gunk in this part of the line before the filter. Let's check it out. I'll blow it out with an air compressor. Bingo! Look what came shooting out of my straw. Thanks for watching, and check out my other mower videos in the links below.